Wait, did I just spend half a mil on Temu beauty products? I bought human hair wigs, a famous detangling brush, and tons of viral beauty products. But was I scammed? Or did Temu really come true for me? One of these items shocked me to my core. Some of them, you have to wait and see my review on that. While the rest, oh my god, the rest. If you are interested in seeing honest beauty reviews and also Temu reviews before you actually shop on Temu, stay tuned for this video.
Oh, this is clean. This is clean. This is what I mean.
The shopping I have been doing on Temu in this past months is not here. I am pretty sure that I have actually spent almost a mil on this shopping site, buying things for myself, buying things for my family as well, because I know how to get the best deals, the best discounts, coupons, etc, etc. I have bought things ranging from jewelry, tech devices, random items, beauty items, and I will be grouping all those items into different videos. But for this particular video, I am going to be addressing some of the beauty slash fashion items that I got from Temu. In addition to the hair tools and claw clips, all the hair accessories that I got as well as the wigs, I also got some mascara. This particular mascara I did not like. The ink or the pigment of the mascara is fine. The formula is extremely fine, but the problem I have is with the wand. I wanted a wand that was slim and flexible. I did not know that slim and flexible don't make a good combination when it comes to beauty tools. This thing was trying to wound my eye. My eye that is already wounded, it wanted to finish the job. For that reason, I do not like the mascara. I am not going to be using the wand, so I'm going to have to use like a different wand to use this mascara. The mascara itself is okay, but the wand is a death trap. It's trying to blind me. Other things I got was this Gua Sha tool. In the past, I used to use a jade roller, but that one got dismantled. I've used it for a long time, so it's spoiled, it kaput. So I decided to get something that is more hygienic. Yeah, this faux jade is plastic, it was faux jade. And I got this because it's easier to clean. It's more hygienic, it's more sanitary. And the way that I use this is in the shower when I am washing my face. I put my soap on my face, then I use this to do my lymphatic drainage massage. I also got a few more oils like black castor oil, batana oil, neem oil, and also some sweet orange essential oil. If you're already liking the content that you are seeing, you are feeling the ambience of this channel, please consider subscribing and turning on your notification bell so that you get notified every single time new content goes up. Also like the video, give it a thumbs up because it really helps the channel. I got this detangling brush for my brother, and when I saw it, I said I had to get it. As you already know on my channel, I am an on-brush stan. I am more than a fan at this point. I have bought several on-brushes for myself and my siblings, but for my brother's birthday I was looking for the on brush again on Temu, and when I saw this brush, it looks like the on brush, but it actually looks more like a knockoff, yeah, curl keeper flexi brush. So I got it for my brother, and when I checked it, I haven't used it because this is something I got for his own personal use. I can say that despite the fact that it says flexi, it is more firm than the on brush. The same design, maybe different sizes, but you know, the same idea, but it is firmer. The bristles are more firmer than the bristles of the unbrush. Maybe in the near future I might do a comparison with this brush and the unbrush to see which one is better. I'm going to have to take his permission first because like I said, this is his personal belonging. I actually got it for his birthday, which was in December, but I haven't seen him since then, so once I see him I will give this to him. This is the last wig that I got from Temu, and this is a 20-inch bone straight reddish brown. They call it urban hair wig with bangs as well. This comes with 3 combs inside, again for extra security. I wanted something shorter, but they didn't have this in short. They were all sold out. All that was left was 20 and 22 inches, so I got the shortest one that I could find, which is 20 inches. I was initially planning on cutting it, but looking at how it suits me right now, I feel like the length is perfect. Also 100% human density. I love the texture, and this is 150%. And based on the wigs that I have been wearing in the past and the ones that I bought now, I feel like the perfect density for me and my preference basically is 150 to 180%. So tell me what you guys think about this wig. I got some claw clips from Temu and I want to test them out to see if they can actually give my hair some grip. I have extensions in right now, but they are pretty thin. It's not too big. This is the first claw clip, and it is this golden jeweled butterfly hair accessory. It is pretty small, so I would not advise you to use this to clip up like extremely thick hair. I can clip up this particular hairstyle because I put it in sparse braids. It was easy for me to clip it, and I think that this is going to be good for, I think, special occasions, events. Tell me what you guys think of the jeweled clip in the comments. The next claw clip is this floral transparent claw clip, and I got this because it is beautiful. Now this can handle both thick, thin, medium density hair. It is great for being both a hair accessory and a hair arranger. The next claw clip is this simple matte black claw clip, which I believe is an everyday claw clip. You can use this with every outfit if you are undecided about the one to pick, because I got like 4. Just this is a safe bet. It's just like a little black dress. You always have to have this in your collection, and I love this as well. This too can handle both thick, medium and thin hair, and amazing accessory slash arranger. Love this. This is the last claw clip that I got, and this is my favorite by far, and it is a white faux pearl claw clip. This is great for any type of hair density, thick, thin, in the middle. I really love it. It gives expensive like it, and it's very, very strong. It's, I don't know, all the claw clips that I got from Temu actually give very, very firm, very strong, very durable. This is by far my favorite because of the design and its versatility, and how you can use this to turn a basic outfit into something really, really elegant. This next item is a 10-piece pedicure set that I got because pedicures are really expensive where we are at. I priced pedicures and manicures for about like 14,000 naira. I spent only 4,000 naira on these items, and this is going to last me a long time, and in the long run I'll be able to save on the pedicures and manicures I'll be able to get. So love this for me. I haven't tried it yet, but I look forward to trying this out. It has blades. It comes with this brush. It comes with a brush. Comes with food files, callus removers, and a host of many other things. I'm still going to try them out, so stay tuned for that video. Next item you can find on Temu is this electric kettle, and this holds 2.2 liters of water, and it is very good for boiling bathing water, water for tea, water for pap, water for anything that you need hot water for. And this was got for my cousin's birthday.
Well, that's it for this video, guys. If you're interested in seeing more content from me, you are interested in seeing the part 2 of this video, make sure to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified when that video goes up. I'm going to see you in my next one. Love you and choose.